Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you're a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline to result your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord where we're giving daily signals there. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the daily candle here in Bitcoin, it finished today. And what it done here, if you zoom in out like that and you see the Bitcoin, it went up till here. Then it gave us here a falling pin bar here or an inverted hammer here as you see it here. What that indicating? It's indicating that the Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here. But today we got a major news and all the week investors they been waiting what Jerome Powell he going to say. So today I got a clear entry in 30 minutes for day trading in the Bitcoin, but I haven't given it to the people they follow me in my Telegram or my VIP Telegram and my VIP Discord because of the coming news, and people they know my policy. When the news is coming, there is no trading. When the news is coming, there is nothing is working, so us we need to wait till we got a clear picture. Now we don't got nothing. Another thing here is those moving averages. Look at the 50 moving average now, how it's reacting here like a very stronger resistance, guys. Every time the Bitcoin he came, he touched it, then he tried to fall down. May I tell it to you, in 4 hours we still falling down. Here in daily, the Bitcoin is telling us is going to go up. So that way you don't got a clear picture, and that way you see the Bitcoin it's still sideways here. It's need either here in the daily the Bitcoin to tell you is going to fall down, or in the 4 hours it tell you the Bitcoin it will go up, because till now both of them they are not going the same direction together. So it need the downtrend here in the 4 hours to finish for the daily trend line to start together. That way I'm telling you it's not yet. So here for long term, I tell it to you before, we got the downtrend here. That one here, you need to focus about it when it's going to be broken here. Either if we break here into long, if we break down here into short. If it doesn't, there is no entry, and wait till you got a clear picture. If you want just to they say you are very, very, very close to the bottom, guys. You are very close to the bottom. I tell you that thousands of times. You are very, very, very close to the bottom. So try to say as much as you can. So everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, is it here. We got Germany CPI or inflation of Germany, the GDP of USA, initial jobless claim, pending home sales, and the most important news all the investors they've been waiting for is it that one here. Fed Chair Powell speech. It's going to come at 8 o'clock. That way I told you there is no trading, and us we been waiting till now. I just got a very clear entry in 30 minutes, but I don't give it as a signal because I told you we are waiting till that storm here to pass. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Another thing here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us. US stocks today, the Nasdaq, it closed green. The SP it closed green. That good news, and both of them they giving us a pin bar there. By the way, also we just bought in the SP 500 today. If you want to follow us, you can join our VIP Discord for long-term investment in the SP. It's not expensive, it's only $5 if you want to join us, but it's not for day trading, it's for long-term. If you want to join us there, you can join us. The link of our VIP Discord through Patreon is down here. And here is our friend, is the VIX. As you see it, currency is getting very high. It's 18. That man, people they are scared tell now from recession and what Jerome Powell he going to say. And all of us we are waiting him what he going to say, because that one here. People they are scared and the debt selling and all those things. They're making the US economic in big pressure, and now the Bitcoin is very correlated to US stocks. That way we saw the Bitcoin, it's struggling to go up, but as fundamental for Bitcoin, we are very close to the bottom, guys. Everything is too clear. Here we are in the Ethereum, guys. Here, what me I told you about the Ethereum. People they been with us, I told you yesterday, we got here a smaller head and shoulder here. And you can find it even in the thumbnail of the video. Over here, it's breaking here. Will dive you enter long here, yes or no? Now at that time, what you got here? I'm talking here just about the Ethereum. Look with me here. You got here a very clear symmetric triangle, guys. Yes or no? That symmetric triangle, it needs to be broken here for you to enter long, or it needs to break here for you to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. Look at that. That the first, that the second here, and that the third. It's being touched 3 times in the top, and down here it's being touched 2 times. So now you focus it where the Ethereum is going to break, either here or either down here. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, no entry short. Let me show you my chart. What me I got. I got me that very stronger supply and demand zone down here, and now here the trend line as I show you just now. I'm waiting where it's going to be broken, down here or up here. Till now I'm still waiting where is the break going to happen. Let's see our indicator, what is it saying? Our indicator, guys, as you see it, till now we haven't touching down here, so till now there is nothing yet. But the Ethereum is coming from down here. That means it's going to go up more than that. For us now in the Ethereum, we're waiting the break to happen here for us to enter long again, guys. By the way, if you want when it's going to be broken, exactly where it need to be the take profit and those things, you can join our Discord VIP, where we given daily signals there. It's not only in Bitcoin and Ethereum, we give even in other cryptocurrencies. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin. Here is only for swing trading, guys. Here the Bitcoin, look at it. It give us here that pushing up, but very quickly it go back because some people they want the Bitcoin to fall down more than that. And me I tell it to you, till now we haven't bottom yet in the Bitcoin. The bottom as we enter in it from here, from that short here. Till now it's not yet. I told you it need to fall down till down here. I tell you that. I told you the Bitcoin is going to fall down till 25k. Till now it hasn't reached there, so as we still waiting, the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that, guys. Remember that. Another thing here, now you can make something like that trend line here and here like that. You got here a triangle till now. It's need that one to break here for us to enter long, or to break down here for us to enter short. That for the people they haven't entered with us from the top here. Those ones they enter, now they still holding the short of them. So everything is too clear, guys. Here the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. Remember that. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator. What is it saying? Our indicator, guys, as you see it, that's why me I told you it's not yet. Also we coming from here, from overbought area, and it's not yet. We haven't touched the oversold area. Remember that. We haven't touched the oversold area. So the Bitcoin, even if it came here, that one is just a test. Maybe tomorrow we're going to see it falling down more than that. Or maybe tomorrow we're going to see it going up, because we never know what the Bitcoin is going to do. But till now, as we're still waiting, and now we got here a very clear downtrend, as you see it, how it started. Now for us to enter long, it's need that one to break here for you to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, it's coming from oversold area. Shall we enter long? Tell it to you. It's need to break here. If we break here, yes, we can enter long. Look at the trend line, how stronger it is, guys, here. First, second, and now it's being touched the third time here. So if it's breaking here, that level here, yes, you need to enter long. But at this time, there is nothing here. I just tell you, me today got a very clear entry in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes, but I haven't given it as a signal. The people, they follow me. Because me, I care about the money of them like they are my money. That's the difference between us and other people. Us, our job is trading. I don't earn money from YouTube or AdSense or whatever. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you watching me now. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. So please disaster that like button. I want that video to reach at least to 50 likes. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here that the signal me I'm talking about. I got here a very clear double bottom in 5 minutes, and we are here in a very stronger supply and demand zone, and the market give me here a pin bar here in 30 minutes. We'll never enter along from here, but me I haven't entered because I know today it's coming very stronger news, guys. That's why me I haven't entered. And look here, that the downtrend, and here that the top me I'm talking about. Yesterday I tell people to enter long because of that triple bottom here. I show it to you even in the video. It's breaking here till the top here. Now what should you do at this time here, when us we register in that video? Till now here in 30 minutes there is no entry long, no entry short. Till the storm of the news passed, guys. Remember my words. Till the storm of news passed. I can give you the price action we got here. Price action we got here is a cup and handle here. As you see it, the neckline is going to be here in the top. If it's breaking here, that means the Bitcoin is going to go up more. But me, as people, they know me how I trade. I'm not going to trade till the news pass. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our indicator was saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see, they telling us as we coming from overbought area. That means us we need to look into enter short. For you to enter short, if it falls down the Bitcoin and breaking here, the trend line here, you need to enter short, guys. Also, we're going to wait until the news pass, then we're going to find the entry. That the way how me I trade, me I care about your money as if they are mine, guys. So everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.